Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring the case has power. Open the lid and look at the LED. Green means ready, amber means charge. Once done, plug the lightning cable firmly into the case port. Make sure the adapter or power source provides stable power. Keep your device close and Bluetooth enabled so pairing prompts appear quickly. This reduces delays and helps you confirm the cable and case are functioning before deeper troubleshooting or more complex steps. With the cable connected, observe the LED again. Solid or pulsing light indicates charging. No light suggests a connection issue. Once the case shows charge, keep the lid open to let your device detect AirPods. Accept the pairing prompt on screen. If the LED flickers or pairing stalls, unplug and replug the cable, or switch to a wall adapter versus USB port on a computer. These steps isolate power, connection, and pairing problems quickly. After charging for 15 to 20 minutes, close the lid and check battery status on your device. This ensures enough charge for pairing and playback. If the case still shows no charge, examine the cable and port. Dirt or frayed wires often cause problems, so clean gently and swap cables to confirm. As a last step, reset the AirPods by holding the setup button for 15 seconds, then reconnect. This clears firmware glitches and usually
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.